everybody, Nikki here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple Tombstone Candy Luge. I wanted Candy Luge to be an easy, affordable DIY option to make trick-or-treating pandemic savvy. If you're not super crafty, if you don't even own a glue gun, this is the Candy Luge for you. You need just a few simple items and let's go. First thing you need is 2 poster tubes. This is 2 inches by 36. Together that totals 6 feet. So you have your 6 feet distance. I have spray painted mine black, and these do come in bigger widths. If you give jumbo candy for trick-or-treating, message me your address so we can come trick-or-treat at your house. But otherwise, most candy will fit easily in here. Even some of the smaller toy items, if you do teal pumpkin, non-food trick-or-treat options, good for you. So I just spray painted my black. And then you need a heavy-duty packaging tape. And you just literally wrap it around, tape this bad boy together, and you've got the full width. Now, the fun part is we are going to punch a hole in this foam tombstone. So this is just a tombstone. I got this at Home Depot. It's about $8. He's a day drinker. Buddy, I warned you about that, but do what you gotta do to get by. We live in strange times. Anyways, so this is a foam tombstone, around about $8. Mine's pretty thick. They definitely make thinner, less expensive ones. And it comes with the yard stakes you need. So if you're on grass, you just pop that in your yard. And if you are not on grass and you don't need the stakes, they just kind of tuck right in. So all you have to do for this is punch it out using the tube. That's it. If you can open a Capri Sun, you can handle this. You got this. So the only thing, because mine's a thicker styrofoam, is that you need to come in at a little bit of an angle. If you come in real straight, your candy's not gonna come out, it's gonna get stuck and you'll have to lean it forward, which I mean is not the end of the world, but if you got a thicker one, just try and come in at an angle. And then you just push, and you'll probably wanna be on a surface when you start. And then I took just a kitchen knife and just kind of remove it and clean it out a little bit and punch a little bit further. If you have an X-Acto knife, that will be a little easier, but you don't need that. So you just keep going until you get to the other side. And then the most important part is you're gonna wanna put your hand over the front of your styrofoam as you punch the final amount, so that the styrofoam doesn't tear and kind of mess up your tombstone. So you just push through, and there you go. You've got a Candy Luge ready to go. The angle is not important if you're doing the foam board version of Candy Luge. So you can watch my DIYs for that too. I'll try and get them up quickly. Then you're ready to trick or treat. You don't even have to decorate these. They come decorated. You can leave your tubes as they are or paint them. It is as much work as you want it to be or as little work as you want it to be. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram at Halloween Party Envy for more DIY and other Candy Luge tutorials. I'd love to see your finished Candy Luge. So if you post a pic of your luge with hashtag #ShowMeYourLuge, and I will feature favorites. Thanks so much for watching. Happy Halloween.